Oopsiee has the secret recipe, which is already a risky situation. Today, Ingrid and Eclair try once again to outbake Sugarstein, and the Oopsiee mailbox opens for another sweet disaster.
And we'll see who can make it better. Right, Oops?
We followed the instructions, but that is not enough to make meringue better than Sugarstein's. Ingrid, we need a new approach if we are to outbake her.
Confirmed. Precision alone cannot guarantee victory. Initiating new approach. If the recipe is not enough, we will acquire what is missing.
Welcome to the Sugarstein Kitchen Experimental Laboratory. Today we are going to make a French meringue cookies. It is very simple. We need eggs and sugar, or sugar powder.
Put it both. Hi, I'm Oopsiee. I like to help accidentally. I love meringue cookies.
I wrote down all the secrets.
This is the safest place for the best meringue cookies secrets.
The note. He has the note. Ingrid, acquire it. Get him!
Target acquired.
Hey, I'm not your next ingredient.
Extracting information.
Let me go!
Was that part of the recipe? I would like to go slower next time. Wait, what about my dignity? The secret is safe. Dignity was optional.
Handwritten data decoded. Commencing materialization sequence.
I want to try it first. It tastes nothing. It tastes not nothing again.
This round distraction is not authorized, Tester.
I'm ready to help accidentally.
Go away, little disaster.
She looks serious. Still the safest place for secrets. Proven.
Today we are going to make a French meringue.
Control mode engaged.
And it is not about the control. It's all about a balance.
How poetic. Also wrong. Superior results require total control.
It's all about a balance.
Oh, mystery solved. This why it tastes like nothing.
Right, Oopsie? Let's check it out. It's very simple. Playful Expert. Sugar powder, creamy starter, it's like saying my dad. Oh yeah, everything's down. Wow. 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 Wow.
delicious!
Subscribe, share a delight. Sugarstein Kitchen. Let's make it right.
We still cannot make meringue better than Sugarstein.
I don't remember these ingredients in the recipe.
No.
Recalculating.
This is still the safest place for a secret recipe.
Ta-da! Oopsiee Mailbox!
Mailbox empty. Viewer dessert disasters. None detected.
Oh. Not yet. What's wrong? No disaster today, which means someone out there got it right. I support success, but I also miss cookies.
Got dessert disaster? Send it to Oopsiee. And photo, and your story, and of course your courage.
Well, that was... frothy! I learned nothing!
I wrote down all the secrets for perfect meringue. This is the safest place for it.
Subscribe, share a delight. Sugarstein Kitchen. Let's make it right.
What was that? I barely survived. I think I missed something. Did I forget something? Much better.